This is an empty plastic snack jar. We are going to make and design a simple stick-on pad out of its cap liner. Take out the cap liner, also called foam pad, from the inside of the jar lid. This is what we are going to use to make a simple, stick-on piece of art. Slightly press the edges of the round foam pad, then lay it flat on the table. These are cutouts from old magazines and old books, others are leftover stickers. We are going to select the best ones to design our stick-on round pad. This one is cute. 2 dogs. We're going to put it at the center of our design. These are cutouts from gift wrapping papers. We are going to use these as part of the design. After selecting the best cutouts, we can proceed to check out some good quote to incorporate with our design. This one is best. It matches the picture of 2 dogs. The quote says, "True friends are like diamonds, precious and rare." Let's cut this out. Now, let's begin to design our foam pad. For this project, we are going to use a non-toxic washable glue. Any type of glue of your brand choice can do. Let's stick everything to the foam pad. This is how it looks after sticking everything. Let's go ahead and put double side tape at the back of it. We're done. Thank you for watching.